Hello kids, good afternoon. So today we will learn in our drawing lecture how to draw a fish bowl. So for that you require your pencil, pen to write the heading, marker, black marker pen to outline your entire drawing, scale to draw the borders and wherever the line is necessary. So chalo, let's begin. So chalo, as usually we always begin by drawing a border. We are going to do that in this drawing as well. I told you in last drawing as well that these things count as marks in your drawing exam. Whether you have drawn a border or not, whether you have outlined the entire drawing or not, these things are countable as marks. If these things are not there in your drawing paper, marks will be deducted. And now next we will write the heading on the top and the date as well. See, like this, I put the heading and the date as well. Chalo, let's begin with the next part. Now on the top side, we will take a scale and we will draw a line. A simple line, nothing more, okay? Draw very lightly in the beginning. See, if you face any mistake during the drawing, you can then easily rub it and it won't leave any mark on the page. But if you in the beginning only draw very harshly, very dark, you can't rub it. Now as the line is drawn, we will take our pencil and we will draw one ulta C from here and one Sida C from here. Okay? And then we will continue with these lines. And now we will continue with these lines only and go on drawing a ulta S. And from here it will look like a Sida S. See, now the N pencil and we will draw a straight line at the bottom of the bowl. Okay, connecting these two curved lines. See, like this. Now you're at finishing. But if you try nicely, it is very easy and you will be able to do it properly. Okay. Now next part, what we will do is, we will take our pencil and we will start drawing curvy lines like waves. Like this, and another one also like this. Okay. This is your first layer. And now we will draw our base layer. Yes, so base layer also we have to draw one line, but it cannot be as wavy as this one. Okay. Just have to be a rough line to give it base. Now next what we have to do is, we have to take our rubber from here. Okay. So we can draw a coral flower here. See how I draw the coral flower. We have to draw like a normal flower only. Draw one circle and draw few petals around it. Okay. See, our coral flower is done. What do you mean by coral? Coral plants and flowers are the plants and flowers that grow under water. They don't generally grow on the land. Okay. Now next step is to draw a few coral leaves around the flower and one part of it here also. Now you will ask me that why does a fish bowl or a fish aquarium have flowers and plants? Because these flowers and plants help fish get the oxygen it requires. So we will start drawing few leaves. Just go in random shape like a tall leaf. Okay, don't use the exact leaf shape we humans have on the land. Okay, see, like this. One patch of it is done and now I will draw one small patch of leaves here also, but we will not draw a flower here, just few leaves. Now on this side, the leaves, the size of the leaves will be much smaller than the ones we drew there. Okay. Three leaves. That's it. That is more than enough. Okay. Now what is the important part of the fish bowl? The fish. Right? So chalo, we will begin doing that. See, we will start with a curved line on the top and then little curved line in the bottom. Okay. To draw a fish, then we will take these lines, extend it little bit, and we will draw a curved shape in here for the tail. See, like this. As the bowl is always smaller in the size, so our fish is also very small. Now what we will do is, we will take our pencil and we will draw a mouth here, and then we will draw its eyes, one big circle and one smaller circle, and then next we will draw its design, its scales as we call it. This design, the scales that are very simple. Okay, and next now we will draw its fins. So first we will take a slanting line, and then we will take another slanting line and connect it to the body of the fish. Same thing we will do here also, but the fin here will be smaller. Okay, and now the fins are done, and we will start drawing 2-3 lines. 1, 2, 3 lines in the slanting direction. Also in the tail, first we will draw a big line, then small, small, again this side also small, small. Okay, now the fish, the coral flower, leaves, sand, everything is completed drawing. Now we will draw little bubbles around the fish's mouth. Just small bubbles. Okay, and now we will start outlining the entire drawing. Let's start. Okay, let's start with the flower. See, I'm outlining the leaves as well. Go very slow, keep your hand steady. See, I have completed outlining the flowers and the leaves, and now I will outline this sand part. Now the sand part is also completed, and then I will start with the fish. See, I have completed outlining the fish also. Now I will outline the bubbles. See, bubbles also outlining is done, and now we will outline this wave. And now finally we will outline the entire bowl. See, go very slowly as the shape of the bowl is not straight. It is curvy in shape, so you have to go very slowly. See, I have completed outlining the curvy part of the bowl. Now I will take a scale and take my black marker pen and draw the lines straight as they need to be straight. Okay, now here your drawing and outlining part is completed.